Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
It is also wrong to consider that simply by becoming a vegetarian one can save himself from transgressing the laws of nature. Vegetables also have life. One life is meant to feed another living being, and that is the law of nature. One should not be proud of being a strict vegetarian. The point is to recognize the Supreme Lord. The animals have no developed consciousness to recognize the Lord. But a human being...
That is the main part. Just like there are the Buddhists, they are also vegetarian according to Buddhist principle. Nowadays everything has deteriorated. But Lord Buddha's propaganda was to make the rascals at least to stop animal killing. Ahimsa paramo dharma. Lord Buddha's appearance is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam and many Vedic literatures. Surya Visham, he came to cheat the demons. The demons, he made such a policy that the demons were cheated. How he was cheated? The demons were against God. They don't believe in God. So Lord Buddha propagated, yes, there is no God. But what I say, you follow. Yes, sir. But he is God. This is cheating. Yes. They do not believe in God, but they believe in Buddha, and Buddha is God. Kesavadhita Buddha Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare. So that is the difference between a demon and a devotee. A devotee sees that how Krishna, Kesava is cheating these rascals. The devotee can understand. But the demons, they think, oh, we have got a nice leader. He does not believe in God. Is it? Sanmohaya Sruda Visham. The exact Sanskrit word is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. We have seen, those who have read. Sanmohaya, for bewildering. Surad Visham. Surad Visham means persons who are envious of the Vaishnavas. The atheist class, demons, they are always envious of the devotees. That is the law of nature. You see, this father became an enemy of a 5-year-old son. What was his fault? He was a devotee. That's innocent boy, simply he was, I want to say, attracted, chanting Hare Krishna mantra. The father himself became a staunch enemy, killed this boy. So if a father can become enemy, what to speak of others? So you should always expect that as soon as you become a devotee, the whole world becomes your enemy. That's all. But you have to deal with them, because you are appointed servants of God. Your mission is to enlighten them. So you cannot be just like Lord Nityananda. He was injured, but still he delivered Jadaima. That should be your principle. Sometimes we have to cheat, sometimes we have to be injured. So many things. The only device is how people can become Krishna conscious. That is our mission. Somewhere or other, these rascals should be converted to Krishna conscious. Either this way or that.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna